What happens over this area will determine the direction of GBPUSD in the next few days. So in this video, I'll be analyzing GBPUSD holistically to point out the opportunities that you could take advantage of in the coming days. This is Mobile Trading Academy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and ensure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos. So on this 4 hours time frame of GBPUSD, if we get back a little into history, we find out that this market has been moving within this descending channel. Why this is happening, price has also established a new channel, which is this ascending channel. So now price has been consolidating within the top of this descending channel and the bottom of this ascending channel. Okay, so the future of this market depends on what happens at this area. If the price in any way breaks above this ascending channel, then we'll see price move up towards the top of this channel because market loves symmetry. Okay, however, if the bears are able to take the price to break below this bottom of this ascending channel, then we should see price target these levels down here. That is 1.2100 and then possibly bottom of this very channel, which will be around 1.1800 or that area. So watch this zone. Okay, this will be a deciding factor for GBPUSD in the coming days. I hope this helps you to make a wise decision in your trading today. Thank you for watching. Share the video if you found value in it, and ensure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos. God bless you and happy trading.